Guys, so in today's video we're going to learn how to see devices logged into your Gmail and how you can be able to sign out of any of them. So for example, if you logged into your Gmail from another device, maybe for some reasons you're not with your phone or you had something urgent to do, but now you forgot to log out of that device, and now you have your phone and you want to log out of that from that particular device, what you just have to do, first you need to go over to your menu section obviously, and then you check for Gmail, which we have here. So you're just going to click on Gmail. So when you click on Gmail, it will bring you to your primary mailbox, and from there you have to click on this profile icon here. So when you click on the profile icon, it will bring you here, and then next thing you want to do is to click on manage your Google account. So you just click on manage your Google account. So when you click on manage your Google account, you have to scroll down and you look for security and sign in, which we have here. So you click on security and sign in, and then you also have to scroll down and you have to look for your devices. So as you can see, this is where we have it here. You have your devices, so you need to click on manage all devices, which we have here. So when you click on manage all devices, it will bring you to a screen. Okay, it's gonna bring you here. So from here you can see all the devices you are logged into, yes, recently and over a long period of time. You just see all of them here. So if you logged in on somebody else's device, you're gonna see it here. You see the device name, and for example, if this is the device name, what you just need to do is to, okay, let's use this. If this is the device name, what you just need to do is to click on it, and when you click on it, it will ask you to verify that you're the owner of this device. So you just have to verify with your fingerprint, or maybe with your password or pin, and then you have the leverage or the option to sign out of it. You can just click on the sign out there, and you definitely be signed out. And you also know the access that the person has on your Gmail on this device. For example, the person has access to your Gmail is logged in on the person's Google Chrome here on his device. So you have some information here. So basically you click on sign out and you'll be off. You would have signed out of that device. But it's also very much recommended that you change your password. You change your password to your Gmail, and also that you enable two-factor authentication. I've already made a video on that, so you can I will put the link in the description below, so you just check out that video on how to turn on two-step verification. And so that's just all you need to do. So if you enjoyed this video, please do it to like and subscribe, and if you want to get notified about more content I create later, you can just hit on the notification bell. Thanks, and do have a nice day.